Ngigwa atia muthuri wakwa ngioka akurutire a new style ya sex. How would you take it?
I'm okay. Ni anadidage shigugu. I'm okay with that. Ni didaga muthenya nere ko jaru gogaga muone No emotion. I think emotion niguo utoragia kihiko. Andu ni maget.
So you can have sex anywhere.
Anywhere.
Giriko-ine.
So uroga riko-ine kani no nyitirire siri ni oguo. That's the fun of it. Ni andu mamenyerire gwikunikania na nduthi kore ta Batman oguo. Mukira oguo mehumbira. Ate ginya mutirahuhia mwiko thini. Explore riko uria watu atogari kundu guothe.
It's boring to have sex in the bedroom. It's like boring. Which how many styles will you have in your bedroom? Like how many? Like kifo cha mende, kifo cha mende to guthire nyaje atakuaga erorete iguru. Guthire nyaje akuaga erorete. Yani like wamenyerire position kamwe. Sometimes I'll wake her up at night so late at night. Tunaenda balcony yetu kwanza imeface kwa barabara farafara oguo. No githa giki kia ba inyanya oguo ri. Tiga gwina nya ucie farari gitikoragwo andu. We have sex kwa balcony yetu.
Ndakugeithia murori wakwa njoke ngunyite ugeni thiini wa tabaraitu ya muthenya umuthi ni mwiyoko wakwa ni thitina mbukuro kigacira thiini wa maundu maria mothe ukoretwo ugika na kundu kuria guothe ukoretwo ugithi maundu maku makoretwo makiagirira ni njitagwo Ngugo wa Karanja MC mubui wa mbere ya marigunga gucokeria ngatho cia mwanya muno ni tondu wa wendero thitina mbukuro gitunengera na njira ya subscribe na njira ya share na njira ya comment tukenagia muno ni tondu wa wendo waku Ngai twakurathime. Tukuragira tafaria cia gugutara gukuhigia na gukuonia njira kwina andu angi moka guku ntondu mekwenda kwiitura na kwina andu angi guku moka ni tondu mekwenda gukena ithuothe tukeita the Morio family, the only family with the positive vibes nigetha maundu mothe magathi na mboko makigacira. Turakurikania on 24th ni tugakorwo twina the Morio family conference kundu gwitagwo Muranga, kundu gwitagwo Biri, kundu gwitagwo Gikuo, kundu tugakorwo turi ithuothe. There's a very big day, family day for us. Ira tugakorwo tukihutia mitore ya andu ingi muno turakungio tutakana turenda ku invite officially igongona riu ugetikira kunyitane hamwe na ithu nigetha tuike gukorwo tugitwarana na njira njega na maundu mothe matuike ma gukorwo makigacira na ni njui no tuguthi na mboko tukwira maundu maria turathi na mboko tukibanga no tuthia na mboko tukumenyithia ni ati uguku turi uratomokire moko imwe kumagia moko wetagwo Dabi Praise Road Karatina ni kundu kwega muno kundu gwa bata muno ni kundu tucokete gukana tugakorwo tukia moko na njira njega muno na ni mukawa uthondeketwo wa kiriu kundu ngiko huruke na family yaku kundu ngiko huruke na arataku kuna kundu kwega muno ungioka ore family yaku mutukia gukorwo mukihuruka tari guku turi twi thiini wa imwe ya rumu irio ngioka guku ni sitting room twina TV yaku ikarite ha na kwina itiria wonaga tukirecord nacio kwina ka bedroom gaku muke muhuruke na family yaku guku is a very beautiful place. Icon uretha handu ngithie na family yaku no relax wicirie horo wigie Dabi Praise Road Karatina rehe bebe yaku guku muke mu spend a night na muke hindi ya Christmas especially na ukaja ya bururi na kwenda kundu kuhoreru ngenda ukihuruke na family yaku unori irio cia kiriu ni kundu kwega muno na enjoy ni kundu ungikenerera muno maundu maku mathi na mbe ukorwo makigacira ngithi na mbe na kumenyithio Dabi Praise ni wega ngurikania ati promito mekuo wi hau wina kia urenda gwaka na nduri na mbeca ciothe thie gwa Promito umere nyumba iria urenda gwaka kana ni ya bedroom imwe bedroom igiri ona kana bedroom inya mutare mathabu nao urute 30% na umakwe 70% urihage o kahora hingura construction account wambiririe gwakirwo na wigire na gwaku Odokia rent pole na Promito Limited ani na Promito Limited kwetukira 0729 506 Promito Limited, delivering the promise. Na finally no gagurikana Terrain Africa makoretwo me hamwe na ithu na tugacokia ngatho.
We mwega mwirori ritu ni njitagwo Esi wa Wiri kana Tata Esi na tucemanagia nawe guku kwa Terrain Africa kuria ngwendagiria migunda na bei bacirire muno. Wa mbere ni gucokeria customer aitu ngatho aria turai nao kuria Terrain Annex Phase 1 na marako makigura broti na ciragiko cigithira riu twi Terrain Annex Phase 2. iria ihaha matu handu hetagwo ciana kilomita 3 tu kuma barabara-inĩ o ta uguo urakiona. Broti ici turendia wega muno turakwenderia 250 wariha cash, wariha na installment ya mĩeri 6 tugakwenderia 300. Kwina maĩ, kwina thitima, ugitiri naguo ni mubacirire, githomo nakio ri cukuru ikiri haha hakuhi. Na ungenda gucera office citu cikuria Ruiru nyumba itagwo Star House room number 304 third floor. No ungenda gutwarithia na namba ya thimu ni 0794 355 161 0794 355 161. Ukagukugwatĩra in Africa ona wigire na bro.
Nitwirega gutwana hamwe nawe na tugakorwo tukinyitana na andu metagwo the Shepherds. Ndiwe na muthenya umuthi aria manditire for only 3 days na muthenya wa kana ni mahikanitie na nitwambiririe rugano ruu na tukiuga nituguka thiini wa part 2 umuthi twinao nigetha tukorwo tukianiria kuma haria twatigiriire na tugacokia ngatho cia manya muno ikondunete part 1 ya rugano ruru no thie thiini wa channel weno hena rugano part 1 this is part 2 nigetha tute guthi na mbere kuma haria twatigiriire. Karibu sana nigetha tuthie na mbere na tafarira. Thank you the Shepherd family twina oguku by the way is a family by itself. Kugoti the person is a family itago the Shepherd family meguku na nitukwenda gucokia ngatho. Thank you for coming. We appreciate gukorwo ho kwanyu thiini wa tafarira ino ya itago the Morio family. How have you been?
Very okay.
Kiwambia
We are very okay. Myself I'm very fine.
Kihiko kihana atia?
Very sweet as usual.
Nimurata murana.
Pio. Marriage is not a bed of roses. Kiteko a roses.
Unajua the only thing tukikoretwo na andu makoretwo makiuga marriage is a scam. Hena dogi maigaga marriage doesn't work. People have different perspective about marriage. What is our perspective? Onotana togeithia.
One, let me tell you something. Ohoro wa kihiko kiria ni ndamenyire ni andu ingi mera gwate marry your friend ugotora friendship you grow. Neke do grow aga like as tutiamenyanite uria twamerire before.
You dated for 3 days.
For 3 days.
Muthenya wa kana mukihikania. Ona hena ona inyui ni mwatengeri Simon Makonde ikarire thiku mugwanja.
Simon Makonde akegeririe biu. Ithuire riu niko grow aga friendship. Na kiria kigaga marriages right now reke ndimwire niki mostly niguturaga mudetaga. Mwikihiko-ini no mudetaga na kuri andu ingi matwikire ati mwahikania renda mwarikia thabari actually
hamjafika bado
renda thabari yajia still date muthie out mukenanagie mugatiga ciana mugathie gukena mugathiaga autiria wathia we single kaigwa ni andu ingi mahikania no guikara mokire rucine oine gutuketo ni mahikanitie. If you want to have a lovely and beautiful marriage, keep dating each other. Muthuri twaraka iritu gaku kuria agatwaraga utakahikitie gathondekithagie njuire kaguragire tukuo gatwarage gakene agiko kendete ndaci gatwarage every now and then. Iyo niyo tumaga marriage ikara spiced not guikara uguo mutide mukiuga ni scam tondu wa boe kire.
What is your negoda kuigwa your take about it?
My take is simple. What makes our marriage beautiful nijetagirira muno riria andu makandwara mathiko ma Ngai. Nyone turaikurukia Ngai kaburi tumuthike, because to me I believe God is love. So for as long as God is alive, then love is alive. Andu ngi marriage de wakagia ati tondu there is no love. Majority of people are like, you fake it, marriage haiko, love haikuangi. First and foremost, God is love. So for as long as God is alive, then love is alive. For as long as you have godliness in you, then love must be there. Tondu I control our love ne Ngai na ni mwiteketie Ngai. So what makes my marriage so beautiful is the fact that I believe in God and God is love. So yende many push this way. The other thing is because majority of people want to say that marriage does not really work. I want to be a proof. I want to be an example. I want people to look at us and know that truly marriage works.
Tondu riu menyeru kindu kire kore togitumite andu maiga marriage is a scam because maigua goro haro na ndigano na kiugo nawe no kuga ni scam but kugigia na andu mari yumagirie makiga yes we are in it is working. Ni gutumona mundu ngiratirira na kuwa uguo ende kuingira thiini wa marriage na hote gukora enjoy marriage. Twambe imutugeithie mucingi ni ngumuria ciuria. Say hi to us.
So hi guys, muriaga fiu. Muriaga muri.
Muriaga.
Ati muriaga fiu. Yeye jitago Lady Heart Shepherd kila mahali, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok kila mahali. Lady Heart Shepherd demutumia na denyina watu wanatwire demurathime na ni thengi muno ndodo wa support ile ambayo tuheire the last video mo subscribe ile muno mugitu follow muno on YouTube and Facebook gaya murathime continue because we have tuna content moto kwa couples and marriages. That is all what we talk about. Uweko when we get good vibes in marriages we get kihiko kiega walk with us this journey ni ugutwenda. Thank you.
The Shepherd tugeithie
2 minute words ndigona ciugo nyingi. Dennis Shepherd geithĩkai thengio nĩ kũgeithĩka nĩ twacoka rĩngĩ tũthiĩ na mbere na kũmweka rũgano gaitũ na gĩkeno gitũ gũciana inyuĩ maũndũ marĩa tũgereire na harĩa tũkinyĩte na nĩkĩ gĩtũma tũikare ũguo tũikarĩte eterera nĩ ũkũigua ũhoro mwega.
You know, Dennis wĩro nginya haha do you have any problem?
No.
Okay, you know hena
andũ angĩ gũkinya twambie haro
you know tadari you know no ratuma doju. By the way that's what he does. He does a very good job. You know tamaketi wira waku in a minute
bado no tũratuma andũ njuĩrĩ arĩa Rũirũ handũ etagwo Masako stage hakuhĩ na supermarket ya Quickmart. So agĩkorwo ndũĩ Rũirũ mũno akinya arĩa Quickmart Rũirũ ĩrĩ it's just like 500 meters kuma Quickmart stage etagwo Masako. I'm about 30 meters from the stage, so no ngĩhũrĩra wĩ hau Masako stage re it's a place I can pick you. Facebook, TikTok, Instagram ndĩreita Deno Shepherd Locks Rũirũ. So no okay tũgũthondeke dread na very soon we are working on making people's nails, makeups and stuff. It's work in progress we are working on. But so far dreads. Whether sister locks, whether grafting, the best in styling. Waigera page ino yako nuko na maũndũ marĩa njĩkaga and I hope and I thank the people arĩa monire video ya mbere na nĩ mokĩte mũno na makahũra thimo mũno. Korwo wĩ ũmwe wa arĩa marahũra thimo korwo wĩ ũmwe wa arĩa maroka makona wĩra ũrĩa tũrutaga you really are doing a good job. You're supporting us and I can tell you for free our slogan in the salon ĩkwa ĩrĩrĩ we are more than just styling. Pay us a visit na tutakulet down.
You know how do you feel muthuri wa kurutaga wĩra radio na hiki kumatuma njuĩrĩ you know kuma massage
Kejari ndama massage
no kayo koragwo ho
ndakoragwo
Danakora akimathambia mutwe sinki ni akimathambia dread akimamassage go mutumia no gukena rake na gikatu maitho no era But anyway, the first few years of my marriage mwaka wa mbere wa kerĩ wa gatatũ rĩ okay ndari na challenge ya gwetekira tondu nĩ ũmaga nginya wĩra thaa 7 cia ũtukũ fully booked thaa 7 mega saloon tagaka tarĩ ngime na customer ũmwe na
nĩ mũhiki
mehingĩire matigathiritwo nĩ mĩkora harĩa rĩu menyitĩire gũkũ thĩinĩ ndamũhũrĩra kanja bado niko salon na reke ngĩkwĩra we angĩkona client wa ũtukũ thaa 3 ka thaa 7 rĩ amekaga sure client ũcio nĩ inoka gwake
atĩa
amekaga sure aiko ni ubaroya kana ne nduthi ako safe tonona niwe the last person uma nake kindu kitikana hapo
kugo no amutware ona gwake
no amutware gwake anatwarana amukinya hau gate na kaja ndio namfikisha
we akwira amukinyagia gate ni
ko giurare ajira ni ko ni aurirwo na ni akuraririra ri ngika atia
ana kwira ni kurara
ndari ajira no ndu ndikiwe kana ni akeithagia thaa 7
akora kubete thaa 2 we ugaga we odiuda maria uwi
ore no grace ya Ngai na tondu ni akihikia ni ndoe wira uria arutaga ri marriage ni trust love ni trust if you don't trust your person ona ndugati ukimwenda to no umwende na muhitanagie trust ni basis na ni foundation ya relationship na kihiko koguo nie ndi mu trustete muthuri uyu wakwa ati ndanginyonoha
we
tigonoha mundu
tutikomokanira na tutire ha gukanira mundu no reke tuge wendi wa Ngai uhinge
how now?
Because one, tukina dugi mono matida makejuria because how does your wife react when it comes to what you mona tukinyitana goko riu tigara beru ginyani hane hutagio gothathayo I hug and not do this, but marriage is about trust.
Yes.
And I can also say that I'm happily married. Nigenete thiini wakwa ndi thiini wa kihiko. So we start from where we twambiririe hindi wengi. Have you seen people have come to your channel?
Yes, let me tell you something. Wamekuwa kwa channel yetu. Actually, we have grown. So nimathite maka thikiriria the previous videos and made it. I usually say that couples aria mareka thaici couple aria andu maroraga online re, I think we are the only couples that do the talking. Maundu maria me reality show. Either tutikaga pranks, tutikaga lifestyle, we just talk about zile vitu tuna encounter in marriage. So aiko when you get challenges through marriage, tutiroka tukuhe advice. Just come, we get a solution all of us.
So ona inyu mutire perfect.
We are not.
There comes a times where muhitaniti. How do you deal with kuhitania kwanyu? Kana mutihitanagia?
How do I say? Someone asked us, it's a question ando maroreti atiriri. Inyu to mutura muri yake no nimuhitanagia. Na turamera ni tuhitanagia. But what is important in riri, how do you solve kuhitania kwanyu? Mostly re jugaga what make us be together is the fact that marriage is the bigger picture ila tuko toigete mbere. So kindu kia mbere kuhitania ni normal because it's very normal in human beings no riri ni turenda ku make our marriage works. Okay,
so the decision
to make this marriage work, we must make this marriage work
whatsoever.
Yeah, we have to make it work. The only part na no juge my wife ajara dage johera na infidelity yo ni ajirire no ni jwe no ajohere
no akuohere
no ndego neke my friend
I just like the truthfulness.
No ndego neke wera gwatirire. Look at your man. In the percentage of 10 to 100, how perfect is your man? Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I go out of 100, your man is like 70% or 80% good. Hari agwa akana ago ithio. Tori mwetikwena.
No ago ithio, no ago ithio.
Nona. Ari ago ithio hau hanini ago ithio ri. Ona weta mutumia no ikaraga thuke uri atiriri ru ni kuria just in case ni dago ithio.
Okay.
Ndimuri atiriri. Mama matiga handa rundu ri. How am I general?
No mene ngai ne kununuha.
Ndikoreketia so nguga no ajohere no ni weneke ni party o ya riri. Okay, ona wokirora oguo ri, am I a good husband? Yes. Am I a good father to our children? Yes. Do I provide? Yes. All these things. Do I protect as a husband? Yes. Do I make you happy? Yes. Hadaru doa hanini.
Na utiudu mune dagika ri.
Actually,
ndagakuwa ri.
No korododa. Ona tikwenda kwendaga. Kana ri ongirora mundu mwiri atiriri. Tondu ndonanyita itura inerere ritu ri. Ona ndoranyitera guku gwitu ri. Taru ri. Twin karatina. Anyitera karatina. Ukamwira atiri ona werora gokona ati ni kugeretia kwihitha
ndira
nyumete
nyumona kawetigiri gaku
igwekaga wone uturwo actually no kunyita wanyita na nyuma karatina
nyuma umo mubango-ini wakwa tondu ni wengwehagirira
ni wengugeria kwihitha ndukanyone no kwaria those are the things ugo noguo anjiraga
gutire kiuria rio hautina
kiu no kianjiraga atiriri ndanginjohera marriage being the bigger picture ri ni ndoraga kira kiratuma tuhitania ri is it big of a reason itugukora tutari hamwe igikarogo ndeciria atiriri ni petty things because there are these petty things maybe remwe ne horie thimu ndanoya ne ahorire thimu remwe ne na customer sinkine ahorire missed call ta ithatu of course ndingihotire kuma sinkine njoke thimu eciria atiriri oraga kuoya thimu tondu ina mundu you know those things na aga pick kiundu kiu tari kiundu kinene na remwe ne akurakara sometimes if I explain to her ni agukwira atiriri kajitekia tondu ndiuma ho. You know, but at the end of it all, deep within me, that's my reality. No, that's my reality. Kira gitumira to make this marriage work ni kumenya atiriri gutire ihetia tiga riu ndagweta ria mbere on my side ira njui no njoherwo tiga riu ri maya magiri marriage is bigger than any other mistake tugikwa nayo. Secondly, I never lay my eyes on a lady or a woman. So to me, my personal thing re haro ni jona odage johera na niari ni ndikanitie. I've never laid my eyes on a woman. A man's heart are not meant to hit a woman. They're meant to take care of your woman. So that's what I've always used my hands to.
Is there something you want to say?
Augatiriri. Ati ihetia riu ria infidelity no ndimuohere. Nie ngwenda kumucokeria atiriri. Wewe sasa tugiatiriri tumweherie. Nie ajira no njohere no ndimuohere no njohere. Ugicamania na nie na mundu ri tura flat nake kana giciti no njohere. Aiko no njohere no nguohere. No njohere.
Do you really want me to answer this? Ndimucokerie wega.
You no sokina no rege. We no option.
Reke ndimucokerie.
Chokia.
Reke ndimucokerie na ndimwire ma. When a man cheats, he cheats with his body. But when a woman cheats, she cheats with the mind. By the time mutumia waku esirie kuma njari aba gukuruta ngoro-ini meciria-ini na ngoro-ini niguo ahote to enjoy the fact the sex itself. Men are different. Kira gitagituma nguohere on my side.
Tondu uno kamenya ni arikitie nawe.
Ni undutire meciria-ini na waduta ngoro-ini. When nie ingiuma na hau ri, trust you me. Nyamba kwihitha tondu wi meciria-ini. No nyita uri o meciria-ini aha. Na uri o ngoro-ini. Nie no kiga ndirakenia. Nona
na guti undu kaida kenda ndahitiria
anatinie actually ona no kiga ndakenia na tinie no nikio we meciria-ini na ngoro-ini nikio ni on my side ri ndingikuohera. That's my reason.
But we insist on faithfulness.
Thank you.
No, I cannot. The reason why
no hakwa ni as a woman ndimuohera no niki ithuire turi atumia ri ni ndoraga the fact that they married together and support together adehere nyumba together thomithirie ciana tondu ndina moko no ndirutire wira na ndehere ciana na ndehe nyumba na ndie kugo tikio ndokire gwake
ni undu wake
ndokire to ni ndimwendete na the fact that ni ndirenda tukuranie no nyita kugo ni ageni cheat ingeigua that is the worst mistake agika ona nikabatu itanagie maya mage but that one mutumia ndangikuohera tondu uri turagoririkanaga guti mutumia wohagira muthuri twaga ni twa muohera no in real sense tugutura turirikanaga kugo ni ndingikuohera ingigakunyita
urabeke mweti na mwana no uri otakimuri riu na ndi uragugutara ta muthuri ri geragia bro ndukananyitwo wegeragia buru ithe bitu
ndukanyitwo indo na cheat
ona kugeko ni ukanyitwo ri ukanyitwo ukigeria
kwihitha
kegotheki ajirire atiriri ati ona ikikamukora iguru ria mundu ri akarira na njira njitira pastor hono
ndage ni ona ndiko ingeretia
ni ora waka no ndu nginya we mwenye akuri ugakana akurora ugu akona tari kurota araroti ugiti
nginya kangaroro kagona tire ngai maria rujikani kurota
that's the power of a man. Ati ni tweto ability ya ko insist undu nginya brain mwe gakorwo na ni njukuna ndugi muno megutira rigi wananyita muthuri no muthuri ri akariga gwitikira ndagitikira
akafocio ni uraga
there's a story I was given hena mutumia mwana kwa muno witagwo wa kiama ni henaga story ahenaga story akaiga mutumia umwe ni athire agikorera muthuri wake na maidi me hau ugo make have sex ma have sex akiria muthuri itha wangania niwe nake muthuri akiuria ati nyina ngania tibi uyo tuba nawe tibi uyo we ndiki gitumire wajiro uhingise ngai tibi uyo rigi ya mutumia agituka so convinced ati no wajiro goithirie u akamuragia tiwe
that's a good one.
So you know but liurim tuthi na mbere in marriage rim hede mo ikarania ri how many times do you have sex?
Iyo niyo sex gwakwa ri
riu ciure ni ciambia kugwa iria ndito
timetable ri iko nyigi ukire irio
ni prete ruru ya gukorwo mwi hamwe
kaba ndimiandike ndore ndimiandika gukira uria nyandikaga irio because let me tell you something, a sexless marriage is not a marriage. It's a very boring marriage. Na atumia ingi gukunja no makwire ni uria matahingukaga ati muhe muthuri rege muhutagia rita rimwe hari mweri. Mutumia ucio ni akoragwo ekihiko-ini kiu no ndari hau ni undu wa muthuri. Rege ni kiri aragia support na rege ciana tondu athuri kwanja ithu agikuyu ni twekereire muno gwetha tukiriganirwo mutumia ni atandikagwo. Riu atumia ingi makwa
gutandikwo na ki
haro
musarisa
gwite gucarekia ukandikwo gwituguta
ndacarekithagio
athuri ingi ni mariganirwo ati atumia ao ndio kamaroraga ni ahikire riu ni akinya gutiri undu ungi ukarigana mutumia ucio na mabataro kugo koraga atumia ingi ni mamboekire maikaraga oro uguo tondu ki ni kwagire sex mucio ucio ona ungiuria athuri ingi one was the last time wahutire mutumia waku kana ukimwika u ndoi ona athuri ingi matioi ku atumia acio ni macraveagira. So for me sex ni tairio, actually we have it like 5 times a week 5 days a week.
What is your take about sex in marriage?
Sex jugaga atiriri sex ni the best ingredient ya kunyitirira love. Apart from there mwagia na love ru ne mwendana ne mwamwa guikarania hamwe. Sex ni eturagia kawendo kau tondu sex ni it's a connector. No twendanire physically ngiona kaire tu ngikenda and that was it, the physical attraction. I was attracted to her physically first. Now sex thing it's the inner being of her. So sex should be part of marriage, kana should be part of love. Tondu ru ni already wabia ko discover the inner part of that woman. Nona after kumwenda ugo wamuona. So sex it's a must. How many times do you have sex in a nini? Majority of people will say 1 2 3 4 5. We try to have sex as many times as we can within the week. We try to have as many times as we can. Yeah.
How do you advise couple? Do you package it so that it can be sweet or it cannot be boring at the same time?
One nini jeriria andu. If you want to have a happy marriage, one nona tondu turia twagukenagia mutadetete mutahikanĩtie I mean twarai tondu tukihiko-ini tondu kiria andu makire ni to excitement turia wamukenagia natuo no wamutwaragira mahua no wamutwaragira out no wamutwaraga out no wamuguragira indo nona no wamukenagia kamwandikira message baby I love you no wamwira tondu twakumukenia mwahikania ugitiga marriage ni rio yatwikire comfort zone na ni hau igwa atumia makioria atire tariu ri kwina video ngiaranjekeire online andu maroragia warutire ku muthuri ucio wa murutire ku tondu atumia ingi matie my experience ginya muthuri waku gukwira ni akwendete ona matie maigua uguo maigua movie ni ati ni akwendete kana gakwandikira message ewiri na gukwira how much ana kumiss na umire nyumba matie maigua uguo so it gets boring. So maundu maria mwekaga mukidate marehe ikihiko-ini muone tondu mwagire ciana mukirelax itho ni tutigaga ciana rimwe twathi ku enjoy life tondu ni ithwe kihiko ni gitu kaheria ciana na maundu ma bills tondu kwi hindi ugaka nyumba na 2,000 we na 2,000 mutina mutumia
abokene nyumba yakagwo na
2,000 mukene. So the fact that andu ni matigire gukenania undu cio watwikire so boring na andu kwaganira respect kihiko-ini.
How would you take when your man before you add something ni kuongerera ekate ugigwa ati muthuri waku angioka akurutire a new style ya sex, how would you take it?
I'm okay ni ana didange cigugu I'm okay with that ni didaga muthenya nere ko njaru ngogaga muone no emotion. I think emotion niguo utoragia kihiko andu ni maget
so you can have sex anywhere
Giriko-ini. So Uroga ruiko-ini kani no nyitirire siri ni ogwo. That's the fun of it. Ni ndo mamenyerire gwikunikania na nduthi ta Batman ogwo. Mukira ogwo mehumbiranite. Ate ginya mutirahuhia mwe ku thiini. Explore riko uria watoto gari kundu guothe ego kunyitira heji ya murango sawa.
Stefan,
what did I want to say? There's something igenda gwikira rire ambiririe ri. That near missing a point cow. What has kept my sex alive is the fact that in our bedroom near jagi a position near getanda often. And trying to tell couples the reason why I'm in the secret here. It is very boring. Ayakonyika gera gwakwa gitare kwa keruthingo ine ruria. Like the same picture Monday to Monday. Ati ndaigira gwakwa ni menya urire wi mwena uria. Lu ena ga secret ageire. Na nega create a picture in me like I'm in a different room. Tondu gutire kindu kiboaga mundu ta itagwa routine ati ni njo ndaigira urire ukoragwo wi haria. Yani it's so common so sometimes you go in the bedroom ugakora riri urire rorete o when I get there nyona ta in a different room but I'm still in my my home bedroom yani ugathi ugakora riri just the first thing change your bedroom re ni atumiro na ni ndoka ri ngonaga easy share this your bedroom re athiaga cenjia so every time naenda huko bulb uthi ugakora rimwe rari ya blue ya red rimwe ni ya white no to me she does them I don't know
na itira cost mundu munene
it doesn't cost you
na gatanda haria kona ta mwiri
no na
nyondo wa kunyita ruthingo
those are the things those are
atuonaga gitanda kia thiko ici ati ni modern beds citie na handu ha kunyitira karuthingo eke muthuri ikia maguru so very important dio niga
that's first thing atomiria create the bedroom ikarage different but in the same room change of bulb change of curtains and change of the bed position o idu gakora gitanda ona ta waigira karumu kangi gatare gako ni ko break kuzoea secondly what has made our sex life so better is the fact that it's boring to have sex in the bedroom. It's like boring. Which how many styles will you have in your bedroom? Like how many? Like kifo cha mende kifo cha mende to guthire nyaje atakuaga erorete iguru guthire nyaje akuaga erorete yani like wamenyerire position kamwe sometimes I'll wake her up at night so late at night tunaenda balcony yetu kwanza imeface kwa barabara farafara oguo nurugitha giki kia nyanya oguo ri tiga gwina nyaucie farari gitikoragwo andu we have sex kwa balcony yetu unaona sometimes we have sex in the sitting room
ciana cia koma
sometimes in the kitchen yani you create sometimes in the bathroom
mugethamba ku muri nyweri
ni mugatora mu
eugabu mwi bafu
ora ti ogwo ndana gothoni bafu moto
by the way to us actually nona todo tu they might seem like spicy. Normal thing but to me it will be very boring if I only have sex with my wife on the bed from Monday manzita itaboka kitu ingine so changing your places changing your room balcony kitchen bafu sitting room ciana ciako no make sure ciako mana kuro murango no ni ndirake hinya na goko so na mangita na matingiuma masabi mena goko nja you see but that what has made our sex life more and more enjoyable the fact that together over and over we might not have all that money guthi gukobora manyumba maigi ati tucenje room so you have to utilize the space that you have the small space it could be beneficial to your sex
but you can be creative wherever you are
you can be creative wherever you are
how do you feel when your wife introduce a new sex style to you
I have no problem actually I have no problem
ndokujuria no anyonia
I have no problem men out there who you think ati mutumia waku ati ni introduce wabaya kumuria ero ne orafundithirio no kwena social media women are in their groups you know we get groups in this women I don't get into their her groupings no ni jori ma discussing their sex life, their love life and everything. Andu ane mashare tondu tuingi o to ri arume tweka urimo kaingi tuikarite hamwe oguo ri tu discussing tondu twitu twa private life uthi wakoro na ori ni mera na tondu tutu na no akora meonire hau ingebe gwiciria ati kaundu gakarekire na mundu ri that means ni ndamba ko mistrust kaundu kamwe njuga akira gituma ndemu trust ni riri I cannot stop my wife from cheating if she wants to. I have no power. Neither can she stop me from cheating. So igi karugo ndeciria gastaka gakarafu ndithirio ni mundu niari. My friend, ni mieri uragaga mentally na ngoro-ini. One thing ni riri, how long does it take to have sex?
Few minutes.
Very few minutes. So no ame have de ko nyoba aime na thia have na soke. So ogekera kabisa ka ukare ati no ginya korwo na mundu ngiora muonirie. Kamba ya go distract we mwene. Ukambia gukorwo ugicreate gi mafisa maige kana niki atarendaga kana niki irata na behavior ya behave. Wambia go kill that aspect in your mind. You'll never enjoy sex physically. You will never. Do you chat
mukera na umuthi ni turatwarana handu? Do you chat?
Do you discuss it? I always tell people on a close na ni matida makije mutidago mukihoranira thiite kundu tukona rule gwito ati ndungikinya mathaa meri ko wira na kuri ande tutahuranaire thimu 2 hours. Mathaa meri matigathire tutamenyete uhana atia kana ke so mostly ginya the tutie twatiga o chat chat.
Do you have a language as a couple? Ramwira na tau no mwira ne tariu as a couple tau nini turi karangunjira mutumia wakwa no tugwete kindu no guti mundu understand.
Acha gwira kamwe kare nyendete muno. Akibabe na miss kula paka yako style ya dogi. So anajuanga what I mean.
Asa. Desi yari pake werari ndirakigeria gugiciria.
Niko karia tangui. Ndio misi kuraga.
Ndio tigara iradi. Tigara iradi.
Ndio waikara ugo ikarite. Ngine job iko chini. Kwa hapo ruti urorete ugaciringi. Kaiko tu mwire tu. Ukabara. Hii maka ukanyau. Iganyita ikikaruma tangui.
Takapo igithire thi have a slogan yaku gatiriri. Ithanjiro ge mboco ira handio ndikwenda guitiririo mai. They are saying let's go and have sex.
I think in our marriage to different todo one no wafundithirio guo that tutiendaga gubangira sex. Tutiendaga gubangira tuge umuthi no nginya. Ndikoragwo na murio. Ndio niki wetereire biyo ati umuthi no nginya enda ile ya surprise. Ona ndokomenya ni kwirehe. Nona enjira atumia muno tetiga igutinda mugikoma mwinui. Nikore ndomete ndaga ba manu tondu reke gikwire ungireherwo ni mundu kiheo ta giki ati surprise ako he thimo already nona ni thimo wateka surprise acha ungireherwo ni mundu ka gift ga thimo gaka gekiritwo haha wirwo hikure
wina ungikohora ri
ungikohora ni renda kumenya ni ki hau thiini ku ki dress nicely ugithie toro ri ni renda gugachambua kuruta pole pole agikinyagira no ri wokete o ri.
I'm the type of man who
so you have a nimuri dress cia ukomana cia.
Yes, dressing sana ruwa matiri ni women.
But for her, if I can add on that, if I can add on her, what makes us so happy is the fact that she's a gift to me. Why do you unwrap the gift? Like, okay, to me personally, she will not be enticing to me if she comes naked. I've already seen all. No. Now, really, the good thing, what I like most. There are times I love her in short dresses. There are times I love her in long dresses. There are times I love. So, I have to get a routine yake. I don't know how she does those things, but if she's in a certain dress, otho guthi gukora rimwe kiuma wira-ini ri ndauma wira-ini rakinfungula gate nikiingia home akona kidress kingine yani mimi nikioriko kidress naanza ku criticism tugike mango we koja you know you create pictures fantasy. I can tell you for free that fantasy that she creates in our room every day. This is all those years I've been with her. sexually mimi sijai boeka naye. Haki ya Mungu sijai.
Wow.
Sijai.
All right. Jikomori, have you ever reached orgasm todo sio tisiuria cia? Let's go to the next question. Leo kiura kiukege ni atiriri. Do you know most of women most because as men we are tutukane turogagirira and you're not so patient when it comes to sex. So I don't want many women to be frustrated about tukiria haro igi orgasm, but orgasm is there. What do you take ukugatia? Okay, go ahead.
I call her 90% of women mati reach orgasm. Neke because some men are mean. Mean ne kugatiriri muthuri uyo ri we aigira uguo akam ni uguo oro wake wathira. But as a man jiraga andu atiriri, you as a man ndukanae ever muke have sex na mutumia ukam mbere yake
gusarika turio ni gusarika
ndukana sarike
na muthuri nyafataire kumenya body ya mutumia wake na ni ha akinyaga mutumia wake agakena uti muthuri utafataire kumenya uguo ore mutumia wake ende
asarikaga
so never
asarikithagia
atia aje sex re etiko kam as a man wakamre hot nikiki kiwetere
the main character ni yakua na movie tide
kugwa geragia muno kureka na ngiaga make sure ni ukumoria bibi umefanya hivyo ndugatuke mina tewe warekia nifunikie huwa tumia ingi matio kiu niki na ria karia raisire kuria tumia ringi makihika matia virgins kugo already ni orgasm niki ashoka hika ndari acamania nayo kwikire kuraga kara.
So people should communicate when they're having sex.
Know your man, know your woman very well. Yes. Tadodo mother.
Ira nai mwiha unafila aje.
Ukinyireko. Ni ndekeno we karatina. Ni okete. Yes.
We dabe pray.
Actually, the good thing about it, Nerere, there are things a woman can't hide, just like there are things a man can't hide. Mudorumeta atage ke hide go shareka. He can't. It's a feeling beyond feelings. It's beyond your control. If a woman has an orgasm, I can tell you for free, anagemeta fona kimya. Mwiro wake no re kuonia ena keudo I experience. But what can I say about it? Why wouldn't many people have that thing? What is the routine of your sex life? Okay? Nuyana do mamenyerire wakiingia like how do you prepare your woman sexually? How do you kiss your woman? Do you kiss places sometimes men ignore?
Yes.
Bekali mai makoma. Hey.
You see, because my wife talked about understanding your woman, como understand aspect yake. So maybe the first time ya berere ni zile za fujo, unajua ni ile it's the first time ni demwase mani gutire na mundu maige ya mwaka nite kuringana papa but now ukianza kuseto saa kidogo unaanza kurealize body language yake. Body language yake ni gani? Does she react when her boobs are touched or something? Does she react when her pussy is licked or something? Where? Okay? Lule todo rabia ko.
Niwe ora hostire.
No, like discovering her body language. Todo by the way, kihiko is so sweet, but it can also be so boring. But it's boring because you make it boring. Ndio ndio twabidie na kwirana ora to stage ora gwika sex live nake. Now we get to the woman herself. Todo aro maigere. Totire touch of erection. Itho tutire ari akuhutio niguo to erect.
Ni kindu natural.
Ni kindu giuka tu natural.
Na nikyo to kwira mugatu hera rimwe to ni erectire wi farafara. Na riu ri mundu ikisimama akiripotea.
No ari kamade nyo ne okira gari kamade.
No. So those are the body languages. We understand more to you need to ask yourself, what do I really want? Biggest mistake Nerere, some men don't want to be told where to touch.
They are not patient.
Sometimes sietagwa ni erogenous zones you might not maybe know your woman's erogenous zones by not touching her frequently. Taru nejwe where I can touch her to make her turn touch to make nimekam nikisoma na no nikindo twahikanire within 3 days so ndambire gwibundithia tundu tu okahora silently without her really realizing nikindiretha so you touch her from the head
ni gwetha maji spot kuria mari
you know ukamutouch from the head to the nape of the head ukurukite gumika kwa mkalala unaona ukamenya ni hala react ni ha ni wapi una you know unaanza kulearn peke yako
so it's a crash marriage is a crash
you have to learn you know women are different no korma tirenda tio the medete ena maybe mutumio kurate spendi kulikiwa ina vibe spendi pengine kuna mwingine sasa that's the
hena mutumio utangihingukira muthuri eke ugu you know
yeah so you have to learn
ngoma kuringana nake
you have to understand all those things those are the aspects ikiuga terere kula tondu tu theri no ka understand na lema ko insist gitondu tatu wacha nifanye hivi so ukifanya you see a reaction
na go satisfy mutumia
arega ko yeah arega ko weka atero kada kumenya but mimi napenda kufanya hivi so mukagera gona communication ikeho niguo either ndukamugwithio ro rimwe
weke undu mugwithie
so communication in sex life best
let's come to phone you know I kona kidu gitumite marriage situke cia ko break ni something called phone you know how do you deal with phone do you take ya thimu yake na kinoyaga yaku inywe marriage yanyu hana atia
we are open but ni jira mundu tiri so long as ni ndira go trust na mwiri wakwa na everything na kere there's no need of you kumistrust wewe na thimu yaku wanyita hati fata wati tuhithanagire thimu na tutiahithanira nui no wanyita koguo ri nie njeda andu makome open no tiga gutidoge chimba no na
we ni waga thimu yake
yes
but njia WhatsApp kurora
acha ndithi ya guchimba I take when I want something ndenda kuhura thimu ndenda ki but tigwetherera niki kiu
koguo nduthi ya kurora messages ciake
niki kiu mundu athi ya gwetherera first thing I call wathi gwetherera kindu nduramu trust nona
ndure wakinya handu guo gathie kwa mess kwa WhatsApp
ndikuga ndire ndeka uguo ni kuga ndire ugate kumenyera gweka uguo
na igwa ne yumbura
na ni ndikiraga ni ne kunyita thimu na ndemuria kigo kia be no you get openness na ikondo na kindu rahitha thimu-ini yo ri ni yake urahitha na ndukunjira atiriri kwina vitu confidential thimu-ini yo niki confidential kuriwe aikone joy private parts yaku niki confidential not unless ni
no usirome
na no ndicirome so ni nyana horo wa thimu by the it's a very important issue tondu one athuri aingi na atumia aingi ukoraga mundu ndukamenya password yake ndoe kindu arahitha no ngikona ati ni wanyita thimu ya mundu guo ameka o kana igira nyumba akamekaga o kana ukona ni araminyongera na haha mundu cio he kindu arahitha ona ndurabata gutinda ugetha he kindu arahitha so openness nyita thimu yakwa niki uretha I'm just open but ninge ndukamenyera go snoop to ni kuonania drama trust na
ni woyaga thimu yake
actually re password ciothe cia thimu yake ri ndinacio M-Pesa pin ciake ndinacio thimu yakwa ri ena password ya M-Pesa like to me she's my wife okay for example there's one question I always ask myself let's say I have like $1 million or a billion shillings in my account and I don't trust the mother to my kids na billion yeyo ugithe kurora asset recovery wera gwatirire gutire andu marateseka muno ta mutumia utigitwo na ciana na muthuri ari na assets na mutumia ndamenyaga no ruto secret tu tuine kiria njui as a man ri ni kurika account ka muthuri taruga korwo atiriri ndina to pesa ithe njigite handu na hau na ti pesa ti major iria riu ngenjera ati tu tukanywa gacai ndia mehana ndingeruta matano tunywe cai but mainly my phone na area ina M-Pesa na kiria ri she has the password secondly what do I need from another person okay ari aginyete tha ici niki kiu kingi ndirakinyira sometimes ni gukora dem sawa ye ni mrembo my wife is beautiful what else beyond that one night stand can you give niki kiu kingi toru hari andi tha ici what have I not experienced
we are coming there no, you know but you know the discussion that we are discussing here we are not saying if you as a couple you have agreed kwa kuhutia the motion they are not
it's okay with you
it is okay with you
it's okay
it is very okay with you you deal with your marriage and let them deal with their marriage you know kile kiu kingi ni riri Chef adini uri ciana nja ya kihiko.
Nĩ ndĩ.
We tigana niĩ.
Mwĩra tigane nawe. Nĩ niĩ reke anjũrie. Reke anjũrie. Reke njokie.
Niĩ ndirĩ.
Kũrĩ andũ matarĩ.
You know, do you know nĩ arĩa gũcĩra atĩ nĩ arĩ ciana nja ya kĩhiko?
Yes, before we got married. Nĩanjĩrire mũthenya wa mbere. I have two from different mothers. Yes.
How did you take it? Kwĩna atumia rĩngĩ mangĩtwĩrora, they are going to, I cannot accept that and all those. How did you take it?
One, like ndĩmwĩre ũma. It is only your man angĩkũhe gĩtĩo na respect between you, the two women that has kids, and me as a wife. Ithuothe tũkũheana gĩtĩo na nĩ ũndũ wa mũthuri ũyũ wĩ gatagatĩ gaitũ. We no ũramenya we ndũngĩkinyĩra ũrĩa no ndagakinyĩre o inyuothe mũheane gĩtĩo na lazy because there are kids involved. No gĩko nĩ ũragio nĩ baby mama kana baby mama we nĩ ũragio nĩ mũtumia, shida yenu
abonyeterere hau nao we tutie na horo muingi muno nawe. Goria the shepherd. Do you talk with your baby mamas?
I do.
You do?
Yeah.
Do you take care of your kids?
Yes, I do. Okay, I have two kids. One is not in Kenya with a mother. The one who's in Kenya actually need like a class 8, and I'm working extra hard to make sure that kid goes to form 1.
So do you pay school fees?
Yes, I do.
So you take care?
Yes, I take care of my
Do you support him to do so?
100%.
You know the thing is, I always say, the little that I have, I might, for example, someone has my baby, no mutore thukuru ya igiri magana merĩ, and of course I cannot afford. So what we can do, I'll have a conversation with you. What I can afford to pay for this kid is this. We ungioya mwana umutware, aikwa go afford igiri 30 per term ri. We mwana umutware igiri 70 ri. At least on my part ne dakwenda nie kiringi afford ri ne giki, and that's what I can always provide. Nona. Ona tariu haria ndirarĩrie my daughter's done class 8. Okay? And I know she will do so well because she's a bright kid. I told my wife about my kids the first time we met. I'm like, I have 2 kids with 2 different ladies from the onset. So that sitamficha hii story, alafu one time akamkudiscover say wako. Siku anataka. Secondly, there is only single mom. And nimekuwa na the wound of growing without a father. For so many years. Nikiudo nikitulite kidite miaka no kwa maisha makwa magiari mega korwo my dad mari na mom, no kwa maisha makwa magiari mega korwo ndari na father figure, no kwa maisha makwa magiari. That blame itself on my side ni atumire ciria atiriri, I might have separated with the mom to the kid, but I don't want to be separated with my kid. Nona rutiga ru ngina arehe thina ri, which is not there. They call, we talk. No, our conversation with the moms to my kids it's personally maundu ma mwana, di maundu make. Tia jireo sijui nataka hiyo hata hiyo line hata style.
Do you nitoganaga na ciana ici? Do you know?
Yes,
nitoganaga nao?
Yes, we do.
So
kau kamwe geko nenere just taken time. But ya kagere some times back yet tumemeet na memuona, tumeongea naye. They know actually I'm their father. They know how I look, they have my pictures, they send me their pictures. Like communication hiyo yori eho.
Ciana icio nĩ cio ndagĩtarĩ.
Ekegwire kĩndũ kĩmwe to me njaragia ũma na ndiendaga fake issues. Ithuĩ nona yeye akiwa link tukiwa sisi watatu no hinya ũkore tũkĩendana na ndimenya nĩkĩ na tigũthũrana no hinya andũ nĩ mako they know the reality tutimenanĩte no ũkore niĩ nao no turakwazana kaundu. So what happens is we respect each other.
Do you know the girls?
Yes.
Do you know atumia airitu acio, the baby mamas? Do you know them? Have you ever met them?
No, no, I've not met them, but I know them. Yes. But whatever happens in here is all of us tunajua it's for the interest of the kids. Nona na niĩ ngĩhika nĩ ndoi na reke ngĩkwĩre out there we have so many single moms. We have so many.
Na ciana ciao
no then marenda wendo. Ni ona ndarigago mundu he mundu njuragia ngai ni ndingihotana na si. Mundu ina gamera, let me tell you the truth. We no ukorwo na mundu tari na ciana nja no agutecire agotecire na kana gaku atari na ingeja so it's the man responsibility yake actually miaka yothe tutietwa have issue ever ona muthenya umwe atendwa hura thimu no ria ni ahurira ni ndamuhurira
na tukwenda kwira mundu wothe if you aikorwo na mwana nja ya kihiko mwana ucio gucafa niki
and then turaia as a wife re ni nyonete most cases atumia makedina the other kids access to the father atondo riu ni ahikirie ndimugiragie kuona ciana ciake kana go support ciana ciake why should I do that ne grown up nona agenda guthiagia ciana ingiona twinake thaa ici ri ni responsibility yake no eke ugo na twinake kugo icio nacio ri what does it muona ni arekuone muciari wake whether muko both parents ona maga ko disagree
ni na heno ndumwe njira juga ni atiriri ciana cia mundu cingikorwo mwana wa single mothers na muthuri waku ni wa muturi aturi acabaga mwana ucio na we expect ciaku icio ci nyumba nicio cigikara wega let them have equal rights
kila juga gatiriri when my wife started very well I'm the man who draws the line like there's something I cannot entertain no na oli
ugithi kwa bibi mama ri you know othie kuba we horera you know akwire riu chef riu to no oka riu na kimenyera gwa githire ri you know na huko dina dry spell ri tungirwa kanyamu mwana witu
no I can't actually
we okire we
let me actually
ni by the mimi digagirira rimwe ni makongoranagia ciongo ringi besha finances omene di missing yangi
nako
ana mara yaka ndomira na kire ringi ndenda kuona mona na ndomira missing yangi
that is none of your business
that is none of my business me so long as the kid is involved here niona gitara ciana ciakwa actually tutaraga ciana ciothe iria
ni moka gwaku
one oyo ni munene na ko boarding school so no ahigire gucera
ule nyari okagucera
yes so ule mskimi
and you don't have anything against her.
I don't have a problem
leure why would she
mwana na thina uriku
ni hakwa why should she divide between me and the kid a kid that I was so open about from the start from the word go no na secondly I'm missing the point inaenda secondly wali horo if I go to the baby mama akwambia na dry spell my question is why should I look for joy where I had tears ndiathi whether gikeno kiriko aria dana turerio ngoro tondu whether we like it or not breakups are painful because each and everyone kuthio mundu ingagera kihiko a break no kwale na misunderstanding atumire you stay your separate way I say my separate way you're not actually my enemy so ndigikohera thina na uru na kinaki personally you're not my enemy kwena kindu twashite nigo tugie mwana there was something and a happiness between us but ena kindu gatumire tutikawa these things out so you not being my joy ni njugaga atiriri ni joy iri ndiathie gwetha ringi aria ndatureirio ngoro so most ira nange njera na dry spell ri I think it will look funny because I cannot go back where there was so much pain torikoro kwale na joy na happiness ri I would not have left it in the first place hey
I wanted to talk about twina single moms out there twina single dads out there ndukarorage mundu ati tondu ndi single mom wa ciana igire ukauga uyu ni aturikire uyu mutumia wana kwena ciana igire na fathers different utire mundu ingiraga handu in a relationship teno yakwa ni ndingirire kugeria ndaingirire e work no kungigakinya ni tware manore na twina ciana ri what do we separate
ndukiuragirwo
but the kids remain sisi wawili so no ginya turere so ni the fact that ni ajirie muthenya wa mbere me I don't have a problem and kama we ni single mom ndokero ri uguigwa ati ndina ciana igire no kanyenda imagine there is love we single dad ni mwatiganire na atumia onoko ni eri kana ni atatu aiko matiare yaku ni ugacamania na waku so ndukanaigwa inferior ati tondu andu manjuragia ukahikira mundu ina ciana ni ndingihota utwika wa gatatu ata yana deserve chance
Kyurini atiriri, how would you advise women who are watching us and they know their husbands ni mari na ciana na kuja but akoretwo ekihingo kia muthuri ugukinyira ciana iri
nie kireta ngetekira thaa ici na ni ndimwiraga ni kundehera ni agie mwana thaa ici nene gukira iria twina cio how no hinya njetekire
kana kanini gukira tora twina
kihiko giakwa that means he cheated on me iyo na mutikahenania ati ni kuhota. It will be hard for that woman. Ati no wage riu mwana thaa ici ngugi wina mutumia ucoke ugie mwana na njate accept mutumia ucio na mwana ucio inakuwa ngumu. Noga wetu ile aki inakuwa ngumu kabisa. No ni ukumwara warere mwana no tigikeno giaku. Nona no ngigakora mundu ena ciana single mom wena ciana no muthuri une ena ciana it is okay. No haha ngidirauga ati ni ngurega rere mwana but inakuwa ngumu tondu ni kuigwa we betrayed. That's the reality of the matter.
That's very normal.
Ni akorera no ngigakorwo ati wewe mutumia ni oi fio mwana muthuri waku mukihikania ni ari na ciana ka mwana hando kurega rere mwana ona ndukarathimo ni Ngai ona ciaku cienye ndukarathimiro. Yes tondu guti mwana lesa hari ciana icio ri either ni wake hiko kana wanja wake hiko ciana ni ciana na zote sisi kama by the way we sit down if we get property ni tugaga we have 2 kids sisi wawili na ruwe na ciana igire so that means we have 4 kids. We will every kid here is equal. Sisi wote watoto wote watakaa chini equally equal measure of the 4 of them.
You know, Shepherd kwina thuri ringi muno twina ciana nja ya kihiko, you know, and we have not tutotete kwiyumiria na kukudikire uguo. Maybe because of the fear of mutumia na kina society kugatia. What is your take about it?
My take is everyone has a past. Gutire mundu tari past yake tutige go pretend
na gutire mundu tangigwa ona wekigwa-ini oro ngikigwa
ona tiaka kugwa muno reke tuthire raini ino gutire mundu tangigwithio gutire mundu tangigwithio. Anyway, what do I say? The fear of the unknown ni etumaga athuri aingi matiga come out clean. But kirigi nda mamenya ni atiriri mwana o ni ari right yaku we taithe na ya ngina. Yes, not got to separated na ngina, but this kid ena right ya kumenya ithe na kumenya ngina. Secondly, I'm sorry, I'm not saying you're manless, but if you're a man enough, why would you be ashamed of your own kids? Why would you be ashamed of your own kid? Why would you fear the woman you want to spend the rest of your life with? Ati atakukataa ukimwambia ukweli wa don't you think agigoka kumenya undu uyu wari ho in advance re ni agakuria warigete kunjiro niki so tigai gwetigira mwe kuja tell your wife the truth and be ready to face it. Kwanza you already living together tondu ciana ici ni cire kinya hando no korera ici wina kana kanini no nyita no korera ici ni mweke hiko-ini you already in marriage ni ugukinya handu we uri atiriri mwana uyu angigakura ri ethe alafu we mutumia uturite weke hiko-ini ri wone muthuri ni oka oro rimwe ni akwira mwana ni oka ni uga atiriri ndirio we ni baba kana ni era mutumia ucio waku atiriri muthuri uyu ri ni baba wewe ta muthuri etecire mutumia ucio ri akaigua atia ata feel so much betrayed. So my take is tell the woman the truth. Tena ni tene. Yes. I make a good decision here whether two or not two. Are enough without the fear. That's what I did first.
Yeah, because I had a choice.
You know encouraged mundu ati ona ikorege thaici ni ugite mwana eja ya kihiko na mwana ucio iho tiga kureka mwana waku asafe because that is ucio ni mwana waku.
As a woman you have a choice. Rutani ya keje to ni ajiri from the word go I have 2 kids edigiaregire. I kondra menya fio dikumu accept arere ciana ciake ri igiamwirire no ni don't want someone when akona kids but because I accepted that it became my responsibility also to become a mother to the kids. Yes, so I'm always ready if okay ni no hinyarere mutumia one akuyore ke gurehere mwana wikarage nake nona but in any case magenda gukagwa kwa I'm the mother. Now we are the mothers all of us.
Ciana ciothe ni ciganaine. You know I like this point. Ati we mutumia uyu ciarite ciana yarirwo ni ide. Ona cia mutumia ucio kana kau kenje. Ona cio no ciana.
Akiri ciana na no ciaku tondu ciana cia muthuri waku ni ciaku. Ni ciaku. Yes.
You know they are kwina thuri matetikitie they should empower their women to do things because nimetigagira the fear yako ubona ki. I would like to hear your take about it.
Wow, oria kiegai. Every conversation near the Shepherd's family Kenya actually near the other visitor. To me, her achieving her dream kirienda gutuika ri it's my goal. The first words when I met her was like I'll work so hard to make you become what you've always wanted to become. Nona. And until today, I got to that show, that YouTube yetu, the Shepherd's Family Kenya, to support what she does. Every time she like, we lazima twende, lazima ngogeli ndio lazima twende. I'm like, okay, I'll be there, avail. Hiyo siku hata siendi job. Why would I be afraid to empower my woman? Why is that fear? Niguo yoriko ocio andu me ekirire thiine. Don't you trust yourself enough? You're like, I can stay with an empowered woman. To me, I'll empower my girl over and over and over. Let her become what she wants to become. To the one, kohikane tikuga ni take away her goals, her dreams, her visions. Before she came in my life, she had her plans. Ni nyenda gugatuika kindu fulani. So miere adoka muturire-ine wake eri. My best version I should actually help her become what she wanted to become because she works extra hard to make me become what I've always wanted to become. Me, I work on her goal, she works on mine, we help each other. If she ever makes it kwa line yake, I'll be so happy. If I make if I make it on my line, it's us. Dia dakinya ndo gona ta division etgesi atenia kugea besa ati adige kana jeke matharau. Most of the thing is like we are in marriage. If she has 1 million shillings, why should my kids be home if my wife has a kids? These kids are not mine. These kids are ours.
How do you deal with your finances?
We are so open.
Very open.
Like niye ditaraga atumia gene joni mako ni crucify. People say that as a woman, my money is my money, his money is ours. But for us in our marriage, our money on the table, all of it. Yes.
You share.
We share.
Yes,
we account for everything.
We account for everything.
If I have 1,000 and he has 2, and we need to buy something for 3,000, we do that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
You don't have your own money.
No.
You don't have your own money.
I don't.
So
Actually,
you have
in
our
this
money.
business, I'm the manager.
No do diaga ho.
Nethiaga to ni njika mathabu na accounts.
Uthio muthenya.
Once in a while, maybe end month gethi gwika mathabu, but I'm the one who accounts for everything, cash, whatever we need to do, everything. He's that open and I'm also that open. Akoragwo ndare agiri 40 na we need to do something with it. Ama we save, ama we buy something like
ginya cia nguo no nyumubangaga.
Yes.
The question is
nikore
this,
pass buying ere atari uniere by them ya my pass buyer. Ko ni ne gugura na ke ugo. But already see at me secretly. No.
The big question yako irere. What am I working for? And I think most men crucify me on what I write on the Shepherd's Family Kenya on Facebook. I write so many articles. So go to the Shepherd's Family Kenya. Some of these articles mingi mu andika hapo. And my question is, this money that I'm looking for, where am I looking? Natafuta ido. Dera jetagasi yake. Yes. Lifespan ya modorume from 1 to 70 to so theririe gukua. Okay? So this is your the dutaga na keogo ri. Wa nesi yake. If to make the one who helps me in my lifetime. Toria way in marriage, this lady helps me push through my life. Okay? In our own way. Loving, caring for me, cooking, being the mother to my kids, all those things. Eka ni odo wakwa. Lukiu ni dereda within that lifetime day. Negito, ni dionaga haja ya gukora ati naki. What I do, if ukunya dekaga, this is what I make, golire na this is the money we have and everything. We discuss maybe ireko more crucial among the 5 bills. Nireko togia stego to pressure nireko. Let's deal with this. Ako kwa tuchama wake, I can tell you for free. If there is one lady who has come in my help through her chamas, it's my wife. Ndio ikarugo wewe ine manzi umepigwa na masters zako. Sometimes hata kwambia na kula kachama siku fulani. Mani ugiro ni mabills. Mwikarete ugo gisade ugo boyeke tena masters. You know, for a man, you always plan your future. Mwane dia modo makago ngana na kuria drone kiri olendaga. Wako frustrated. Okay. Kwani unataka doka ngapi kufanya kitu? Kamera nataka kufanya hivi, nataka hivi. Tarutu na plans ya expand kawera hii. Amira ikiona besa, ikiona giri 10, ikiona baba. Ru agioka kuria kiama gya keri. Na mind you to mature mwere, ana neni ele mwende mo booster gire mwaka njira zina.
Besa icio no ciaku.
Ni uraiti haria. No ndomenyaga ni andu aigana, ndomenya aria besa cigana na ndomenya aria ari. No, when she has that money, trust you me, I can. Yani ucio no ndinge testify yaha. Ndio kaka njira atiriri. Shika hii 15,000 ufanya kale kanilugura takufa.
Although ni za kukopa.
By that day I and I think we are where we are. Okay. we are where we are. That's why I'm saying I'll work extra hard na digatiga to make her dreams come true because she really works so hard.
When she make it, you make it.
She works so hard to make mine work. I'll work extra to make hers work.
Let's go to the next question. What about how do you deal with the external forces? How do you package your marriage to ensure that you mukona balance mwina families ya mweno la mwina adonia mweno oyo?
One, for me, we don't let our families get between us, like negatively. Diga kiuge ugo moyo kunyita wega negatively ati gukorege kwena in-laws maratothenia gwito maramuthenia kana kone marathenia. We don't let that come between us. Family yao amahando, family ito hando, yani gutigakorwo he mundu urarehe fights in between. So he makes sure kwao we are at line. Tondu we nie gwito ri no ningihota go protect muthuri wakwa aikorwo gwito ri ni maramutanga, which is not the case. No kugikorwo ni uguo ri nie as a woman ni nifataire kurugama na muthuri wakwa. Nona na keta muthuri aiko kwao ni aramenya fio sister shake kama mamu wao ni marajukira kana matinyendete kana ki. He is the man to stand in the gap na uyate rere. You know what, this is my wife, this is you mom, this is my sister. So in your families nyinyi wawili kwanza, hao wengine externally. Yes.
Tutigeta ku exhaust everything, but we can conclude by the what is the goal, what is your vision as a Shepherd family, as we conclude?
The biggest vision is like if at all we can be your example, we'll be so pleased. If at all you can watch this nini ogirorera kaundu gaka gako encouragement ya kindu giki nikiwakagi. Vision ira nene muno the Shepherd's family tuko nayo ni kuonia ndo marriage works, it can work, make it work. Agikorwo we hau na nduru itikitie mundu maya mekuo, please follow us. We take your doyo wekuo. The biggest vision niguo wajoria ni ko make sure in some many years to come we still be speaking the same story at old age to people who be coming up. Niguo aria matofuata thais na magatofuata miaka ine mugage atiriri. Truthfully, marriage works because we've seen the Shepherd's works. We want to be a role model to people who don't believe in marriage and people who believe there is marriage. We want to be role models to them.
For us, I always feel like nitore kaundu karia gakwira people there's another chance in loving again. There's a second chance. Hari mundu cio raigwa atiriri nie ndanageria kuhika ria mbere kuri atumia manjira nie hikite maita matatu na ndungitheka reke ngikwire ni weniki tondu hau hatirari mundu waku kuo no ngigora hika matano nginya rio gacamania na waku ni ugacamania nake. So nyendaga muno ku encourage atu ande ono ngihika ria mbere kana ria keri kana ria gatatu no ukona wendo na wendo wikuo ni ugacamania na mundu akwende na gwitikire ona wena ciana cigana ri wende na uge atiriri kuri muthuri ugoka kunyenda uguo hana. And if you're not happy in marriage, toda ku encourage adu ati in our channel we talk about the things maundu maria ungika wone ta hari na change. Ona maundu maria mangimukuria marriages ine cianyu, and that is what we advocate because we know marriage is very beautiful.
Which is the channel? Just tell them the channel.
Channel ito kore YouTube itago the Shepherd's Family Kenya na Facebook ito ithwere itago the Shepherd's Family Kenya na ruto na handles shito omodo ni itago Lady Heart Shepherd kodo guothe all the social handles.
Yetagwa Dennis Shepherd eyo ni page yako personal ya Facebook. Cia wira ine ni Deno Shepherd Locks Ruiru. Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and soon nitoko igora channel ya YouTube ya Deno Shepherd Locks Ruiru. Very soon.
Yes.
Market your job, then we call it a day.
We how na ni uraigwa jwire. Market your work. Are you there? Uko hapo. Na niwe mundu wina dread, mundu reda sister locks, mundu reda grafting. Are you fair mundu reda co-experience a difference in how their hair is made? Please try us, visit us. Twe Ruiru, andu etagwo Masako, akuwe na quick mat, Ruiru. Na turi hau namba cituri, namba yakwa ya wira ri ni 0759 eyo rune ya wira 59 Daria no namba
0759 478889. Magic mumenyera namba.
Wa mukemenyera wira ni witu. namba ĩyo wahũra rĩ ĩguo rĩa namba-inĩ ĩyo wahũra rĩ we can do not to slot in bookings no ũhũre no ũrie ciũria kĩrĩa gĩothe ũrenda kũmenya ũhoro ũkoniĩ dreadlocks no ũhoro ũkoniĩ ũhoro wa sister locks ũhoro ũkoniĩ grafting all things natural hair if you call that number
Thank you so much for coming and sharing with us. We are so grateful. We are coming for part 3 and we are going to look at the things that we can discuss so that we can be able to
help marriages.
Marriages together. Congratulations.
Young marriages,
thank you.
Kwanza, we have a problem. So we are the problem solvers for you.
Thank you for coming. We are so grateful. Nitwake na muno. Nitondo wa gwitikira. We wish you all the best. Na channel yaku igaitagwo atia?
The Shepherd's Family Kenya. Follow us everywhere. The last time ulitupea subscriptions mingi sana, we appreciate. So today also mkiona hii video mareda content ito muno nethaka.
Thank you.
Enjoy that.
Thank you so much and all the best.
Thank you.
Ni ukire na furana yake hungoro tutise.
Thank you muno. Nĩjũkia na Kenya unde mutisa tisa.
Thank you. Asante sana. Thank you. Bye. Okay.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Tugagucokeria ngatho cia mwanya muno. We are growing each and every day. Na maundu mothe ni mathiete na mboko makigacira. We have the Morio Family Conference tariki 24 ni turakena muno ni tondu wa wendo wanyu na ni njui ni mwiharirie nigetha tugatungana muri 24. We are calling you for the support ya the Morio Family Conference. Aikono tuhemere gitina mitu no support this channel. Kindly support this channel. Niturabatara guthie kunene. Aikono tuikite kirathimo kurwe. Be with us and number is there. Promito mekuo. We hau. We na kia urenda gwaka na nduri na mbeca ciothe. Thie gwa Promito. Umere nyumba ĩrĩa ũrenda gwaka kana nĩ ya bedroom imwe, bedroom igiri ona kana bedroom inya. Mutare mathabu nao urute 30% na umakwe 70% urihage o kahora. Hingũra construction account wambĩrĩrie gwakirwo na wĩigĩre na gwaku. Ondokia rent pole na Promito Limited. Anĩrĩ na Promito Limited kũhetũkĩra 0729 506 506. Promito Limited. Delivering the promise. In Africa.
We mwega mwirori witũ ni njitagwo Esi Wawiri kana tata Esi na tucemanagia nawe guku kwa in Africa kuria ngwendagiria migunda na bei bacirire muno. Wa mbere ni gucokeria customer aitũ ngatho aria turai nao kuria Terrain Annex Phase 1 na marako makigura broti na ciragiko cigithira riu twi Terrain Annex Phase 2. Ire haha matu handu hetagwo yani kilomita 3 tu kuma barabara-ini o ta uguo urakiona. Broti ici turendia wega muno turakwenderia 250 wariha cash, wariha na installment ya 6 tugakwenderia 300. Kwina mai, kwina thitima, ugitiri naguo ni mubacirire. Githomo na kio ri cukuru ikiri haha hakuhi. Na ugenda gucera offices citu cikuria riru nyumba itagwo Star House room number 304 third floor. No ugenda gutwarithia na namba ya thimu ni 0794 355 161 0794 355 161. Ukaguku kwa Terrain Africa ona wigire na bro.
God bless you so much. Ntondu twanite hamwe na ithuĩ tugacokia ngatho na tugakena ntondu wa wendo waku. Thiĩ na wega tigwo na wega raria tha utigire andu makonana. Nitagwo Wakwa MC Mũmbũi wa Mbare ya Marigũ. Nĩ wega. Thank you.